Good morning, students. How are you all? I wish you all are fine and safe. Students, in previous lesson we have completed our part 1 of the unit 6, The Girl with the Magic Eyes. In that part we have seen that there are two friends, Devi and Riya, and both are very friendly. They all time spent with each other. They have no secret with each other. What happened one day when Devi returned the home, he met a strange man, and he asked for a water, and the Devi gave a water to the strange man, and a strange man gave a magic eye to the Devi. Now what happened in a second part? Let's start our lesson. Students, when you watch this video, please keep your book with you. This is on the page number 46. Okay, now we will start. Devi reached the house and rang the doorbell till her mother opened the door. Now what happened? Devi quickly returned her home and rang the bell. Right now she is very hurry and scared because of the strange man. Yeah. Okay. Now as soon as she saw her mother, she threw away her bag and hugged her tightly. Now she is very scared. Seeing the pictures, Devi is hugged tightly to her mother. Her mother was surprised. She said, "What happened, Devi? Any problem? Calm down and tell me." Now mother is also worried because Devi hugged tightly to her mother. Now she asked her to, "What happened, Devi? Please calm down and tell the problem." Okay. Now Devi said, "I have got a magic eyes." What? What do you mean by magic eyes? Say her mother. I don't know. I met a stranger near a house. He asked for a water and I gave it to him. He has given me magic eyes. Now Devi told the story about what happened with her near her home. Now Devi said that in a middle while, when I returned the home, I met a strange man and he asked for a water. He snatched my bottle and drank all the water and told me that I gave you what do you want, and finally he gave me a magic eyes, right? So Devi told her mother everything what happened with her. Her mother looked worried. I don't know what you are talking about. Haven't I asked you not to talk to strangers? How can somebody give you magic eyes? Your eyes look the same to me. I don't see any magic in them. Now what happened? Now mother is worried, and she told her that there is nothing change in your eyes. Your eyes will be same like previous, right? So she told that I told you na, don't talk to any stranger man. How can you talk somebody who is not recognized and who is not known to you, right? So she asking many question, and she told that I don't see any magic in your eyes. Devi didn't say anything. She played for some time, watched TV, did her homework, had her dinner, and went to bed. Now Devi didn't know what to say, so he didn't reply anything. She played and do regular her activity and go to her bed. She had a strange dream that night. She saw two beautiful huge eyes in front of her. The eyes were blue like the sea. She could see the whole city inside the house, inside the eyes. Now what happened? Devi got the sleep and she had a dream, strange dream, right? and she saw a beautiful huge two eyes. Say she saw a big eyes in front of her. Now what happened? The eyes were blue like the sea. Her eyes will be blue. She could see the whole city inside the house. She entered. Now she entered in the dream and entered in the eyes and walking to the street, right? In the line, right? She saw a shop full of chocolate and biscuit. Her mouth started watering. Now students, we know that when we saw the chocolates near our front of eyes, what happened? Watering mouth, right? We want to eat all the chocolates, okay? So her mouth also watering, and she said, please come to me chocolates. And now she asked for the chocolate. As she kept on looking at the chocolates, a ray of light came out of her eyes and touched the chocolates. Now what happened immediately? The rays of the lights come to it and touch the chocolate. We see that the lights, rays of the lights, right? When the sun or the some particular holy some lights come on something, right? Immediately they started floating in the air and come towards her. Now what the magic happened? The chocolates come to her. She caught the chocolates and dropped them in her bag. Now what happened? The chocolates come to her and she catch it, all the chocolates, and keep it into her bag. She made a mountain of chocolates and sat on top of them. With the chocolates, she made a mountain of the chocolates. Okay. So in this lesson we have seen that up to this story we have seen that Devi met the strange man, and she got a magic eye. She tell all the happening to her mother. Her mother didn't believe her, right? And that day, same day, when she got a sleep, she had a strange dream. And what she see in the dream? She saw that so many chocolates in the city. She keep all chocolates in bag and make a mountain of the chocolates and sat on the top of them. Okay students, in the next lesson we will continue the story. Good day students.